القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
So in this video I'm showing you how to pronounce the heavy sound with the light sound. So you'll say قل قل قل. You can see with the qaf there's a normal shape of the mouth with the dhamma, but when we're saying the lam, my mouth is being pulled back, so it's قل قل. The same with rab rab rab. Yeah, the ba, you hear a slight echo sound as well. Rab rab.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.